Hi, this is Little Lang, my YouTube channel. I am Subroto Sarkar, your English teacher from India. Today, our class will be totally conducted with English grammar. From English grammar, will be use of there. Particularly, how to use the particular word there. It is called adverb. It is belong to the particular part of speech of adverb there. So, if you see there is to show something existence, particular existence as time, time and place. These types of things it always clarifies to us. So if you see the use of there are three kinds of there: introductory there, expletive there, and adverb there. Many students they face problem how to use the introductory there into their writing skills. So today it will be clear to you. If you see the proper actually my blog, it will be complete. It will your problem will be eradicated from your mind. So see what do I convince you very well. So introductory there. So what is called introductory there? So you just say introductory there. The introductory mean introduction. Introduction. And there is adverb. So introduction for any sentence. You can say if I write as example, there is a boy in the class. There's a boy in the class. So there is mentioned here as introduction or introductory. Introductory there. But why? Why is it introduct the full rest of the sentence? Because it belongs, it actually situated in front of the sentence. And through this word there, the total rest of the sentence is ahead actually. There is such a adverb, okay, which sits very near to the sentence, rest of the sentence, and it introduct through the full rest of the sentence. So it is called introductory there. So introductory there, if you see, so what is, does it refer any particular noun? Does it refer any particular noun or does it refer any particular person? What is it actually there? There it does not refer any particular person or number. Okay, actually it is adverb. So there it is not particular any subject also. Okay, when the particular any subject does not refer in the sentence, that time there is stands. So there, after there you see that there is a boy. So boy is a particular singular noun. Okay, so for this boy there is situated is. So this is the fund actually. So after there, what will be the noun or pronoun, and which this noun or pronoun, which particular noun or person belong to. That for reason the auxiliary verb will be sit here. Okay, not for there. There is not particular any subject. Okay, for after there you will see what is there, uh, actually noun or pronoun, and which kinds of number and person does it belong. For this reason here auxiliary verb will be sit. Okay, so I am giving you another example, then it will be clear to you. There are many people in the queue. There are many people in the queue. There are many people actually. So you can see there the sentence starts with introductory. introductory there. There are many students. It is auxiliary verb AV, and many students, many people. There are many people. So many people. It is plural, plural number. Okay. There are many people. So it is auxiliary verb. So you always remember that there does not stand, there does not use in the sentence, okay, without auxiliary verb. Particularly this types of sentence without auxiliary verb there will be not use there. Okay, and this auxiliary verb stands for these types of noun or pronoun belong, which particular noun or pronoun belonged. Okay, that for reason auxiliary verb will be stands. Okay, so such auxiliary verb such is, are, was, where. So you know very well, is and was singular, and are, where is plural. So these types of singular plural, it classified. How does it classified? It classified by this, actually after there, what are the subject, what are the actual noun or pronoun is belong, by their stands, by their pronoun and by their person and number, it will be particularized. Okay, so this is the example of the introductory there. And introductory there, if they are particular in subject in the sentence, if they are particular subject, then there will be not actually any value. That time there will be not sit in the sentence. Example, you can see here there is a computer on the desk. The Mac computer is on the desk. So what is the difference between the both sentences? There is a computer on the desk. There is a computer. You can see a computer, it is a common. There is a computer. But the Mac computer, computer is a particular concrete one subject. Okay. The concrete, you can say, concrete subject, but it is common. Common subject. So you can see there, before of this, there introductory there already had used in this sentence, but there there is not used in this sentence. There introductory there is not used because before of that, before of the particular concrete or proper subject, okay, I can't write there. It will not happen there. Okay, so because why, I already told you, they are only used for when the particular subject will be not mentioned in that very sentence. But you can see there is particular subject already mentioned. This is why there will be not sit here before this particular subject. So there is valueless here. Okay. So do you make out that it was the part of class of introductory there.